Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will show you how to schedule your social campaigns. I'm going to skip ahead to the review and edit step in a social campaign I created earlier. Once you are happy with your post content captions for each channel, you can scroll down and click on Schedule Delivery. Here, you will be able to choose either to send this campaign out immediately, or you can choose to send it out on a particular time and day. This is great because you may anticipate a busy week coming up, and you want to counter this by setting up your campaigns in advance. Simply select the time and day of the campaign and click on Schedule Campaign. You will then be given a confirmation on the day and time this campaign will be sent out. If you would like to learn more about scheduling campaigns, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or chat to us using the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thank you so much, and bye for now.